Today I am reviewing the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer, and Dryer feels like one of those products that instantly makes life easier for new parents the moment it becomes part of the daily routine. Anyone who has spent time washing baby bottles by hand knows how repetitive and exhausting the process can become, especially during those sleepless newborn months when bottles, pump parts, and feeding accessories seem to pile up endlessly throughout the day. The KleanPal Pro is designed to solve exactly that problem by automating one of the most time-consuming parts of baby care. And after using it, it's easy to understand why so many parents consider it a huge convenience upgrade. Right from unboxing, the machine gives off a premium and thoughtfully designed impression. It has a modern, clean appearance that fits nicely into most kitchens without looking overly bulky or industrial. Even though it packs multiple functions into one unit, the layout feels organized and user-friendly rather than complicated. The controls are straightforward, the loading system makes sense, and the overall design feels focused on simplifying life for busy parents instead of adding extra stress. What immediately stands out about the Momcozy KleanPal Pro is the fact that it combines washing, sterilizing, drying, and storage into one machine. Instead of standing at the sink scrubbing bottles multiple times a day, then separately sterilizing and drying them afterward, this machine handles the entire process automatically. That alone can save parents a surprising amount of time and energy every single day. During the early months with a baby, even saving 20 or 30 minutes repeatedly throughout the day can make a major difference. The washing performance itself is genuinely impressive. The KleanPal Pro uses 26 powerful spray jets to thoroughly clean bottles from multiple angles. There are directional spray jets designed to target the inside of bottles, while additional swirling spray jets clean the exterior surfaces. This setup helps ensure milk residue, formula buildup, and difficult-to-reach spots are cleaned effectively. One of the biggest concerns parents usually have with automatic bottle washers is whether they can clean as thoroughly as hand washing, but this machine does a very convincing job. Bottles come out looking extremely clean, and the process feels much more hygienic and consistent compared to quick manual rinsing. The dual-layer capacity is another major advantage. Being able to hold up to 4 bottles at once, along with pump parts and baby accessories, makes the machine practical for real daily use instead of feeling too limited. It's especially helpful for parents using wearable breast pumps because compatible pump parts can be washed safely alongside bottles. Instead of cleaning items in separate batches, everything can often be handled together, which improves convenience significantly. One of the best features is the flexibility offered by the 9 cleaning mode combinations. Parents can customize the process depending on their schedule and needs. If you're in a hurry, the quick wash mode is extremely useful because it cleans bottles in as little as 19 minutes. That's incredibly convenient during busy feeding schedules when you need clean bottles fast. On the other hand, the more thorough modes provide washing, sterilization, and drying all in one cycle for maximum cleanliness and convenience. The steam sterilization feature is another area where the KleanPal Pro really shines. For parents, cleanliness and hygiene are always top priorities, especially during the newborn stage. The sterilization process helps create peace of mind by reducing bacteria and ensuring bottles and accessories are safe for feeding. Instead of boiling bottles manually or relying on separate sterilizer units, everything happens automatically within the same machine, which streamlines the entire process beautifully. The drying function is equally important and often overlooked. Air drying bottles manually can take hours, and wet bottles left sitting around can sometimes develop unpleasant odors or water spots. The KleanPal Pro dries items efficiently, so they're ready to use much faster. What makes this even better is the built-in storage functionality that keeps bottles sterile and odorless for up to 72 hours after washing. This is incredibly useful for parents who like preparing clean bottles ahead of time. Another standout feature is the medical-grade H13 HEPA filtration system. The purified airflow helps remove airborne particles during the drying and storage process, adding another layer of cleanliness. It's one of those premium details that makes the machine feel thoughtfully engineered specifically for baby care rather than simply functioning as a standard kitchen appliance. In terms of daily usability, the machine feels surprisingly easy to operate. The interface is intuitive. Loading bottles becomes second nature after a few uses, and maintenance is manageable. Since parents are already overwhelmed with countless daily responsibilities, it's important that products like this reduce stress instead of creating additional chores. Thankfully, the KleanPal Pro succeeds in making bottle cleaning feel far less exhausting. Of course, there are a few things worth considering. This is a premium appliance, so it naturally costs more than basic manual cleaning methods or simpler sterilizers. Families with limited counter space may also need to plan where to place it because it does occupy a noticeable amount of kitchen space. Additionally, it's designed for 120-volt power compatibility, so international users may need to check voltage requirements carefully before purchasing. Still, for many parents, the convenience easily justifies the investment. The amount of time and effort saved every day can be substantial, especially during those early months when feeding schedules are nonstop. Instead of standing over the sink late at night scrubbing bottles and pump parts, parents can focus more on resting, bonding with their baby, or simply catching up on other responsibilities. Another nice bonus is that the machine includes 60 official Momcozy bottle washer tablets right out of the box, along with a 1-year warranty. That give buyers a strong starting experience without needing to purchase additional supplies immediately. Overall, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro baby bottle washer, sterilizer, and dryer feels like a genuinely valuable product for modern parents. It combines washing, sterilizing, drying, and storage into one efficient and easy-to-use system that dramatically simplifies one of the most repetitive parts of baby care. The powerful cleaning performance, flexible modes, HEPA filter drying system, and time-saving automation make it feel less like a luxury gadget and more like a practical parenting tool that can genuinely improve daily life. For busy families looking to save time, reduce stress, and maintain a cleaner feeding routine, the KleanPal Pro is an impressive all-in-one solution worth serious consideration.